live in an uncertain world, but at Datoway Technology, we are engineering certainty in an uncertain landscape. We believe in our operational excellence, precision technique, and secured by design. Where innovation meets execution, we are building the future with intelligence and reshaping the world of IoT, AI, data, digital engineering, product development, and cybersecurity. We are an AI-first technology company delivering digital engineering excellence. Backed by trusted technology partners like Microsoft, Databricks, Nvidia, Snowflake, and OpenAI, our foundation is security by design. We drive digital transformation, from generative and agentic AI to industrial IoT, platform engineering, and computer vision. We integrate artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, robust data engineering, digital transformation, cybersecurity, and enterprise automation into the core of your business. We transform the industries that move the world: manufacturing, oil and gas, energy and utilities, deep agri-tech, supply chain and logistics, retail and CPG, and healthcare and life sciences. Our engineering philosophy is a shift in paradigm, from data to decisions, from visibility to intelligence, from automation to autonomy. We move your operations from reactive to predictive, from complexity to simplicity, and from raw technology to tangible business outcomes. Because our core philosophy centers on what matters most: our employee, our customer, and our revenue, which propels operational excellence and outcome engineering. We are precision-led and outcome engineered. Through AI-native solutions, intelligent data platforms, and digital twin technologies, we build scalable digital ecosystems, business outcomes, increased productivity and reduced downtime, lower operational costs, optimized energy consumption, and enhanced safety. We deliver predictive insights for faster decisions and higher asset utilization. Our commitment. Our commitment is unwavering: trusted partnerships, continuous innovation, and absolute customer success. Because we don't just build technology, we architect competitive advantage. Datoway Technology: operation, precision, secured.